Looking for delicious and diabetic-friendly dinner ideas? I've got you covered with 3 balanced and flavorful menus that are low in carbs but packed with taste. Stick around, because these meals will keep your blood sugar in check without compromising on flavor. Let's begin with our first menu: grilled salmon with quinoa and steamed broccoli. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to have numerous health benefits, including improving insulin sensitivity. To accompany this heart-healthy fish, we add a serving of quinoa. Like traditional carbohydrates, quinoa is a complex carb, high in fiber and protein, providing a slow and steady release of glucose. Pair this with steamed broccoli, an excellent source of vitamins A and C, and you have a meal that is both nutritious and effective in maintaining stable blood sugar levels. The simplicity of these ingredients allows you to enjoy their natural flavors while keeping your health goals in check. Next, we move to our second offering: lean turkey stir-fry with mixed vegetables. Turkey, particularly the lean cuts, is an excellent source of protein without the excess fat. Cooking it with a selection of colorful vegetables, such as bell peppers, carrots, and snap peas, ensures a meal loaded with vitamins and minerals. These vegetables are low on the glycemic index, meaning they have minimal impact on blood sugar levels. Using a light soy sauce or tamari, you can add a depth of flavor without unnecessary sugars or carbs. This stir-fry is not only quick and easy to prepare, but provides a vibrant and balanced option for any dinner table. Finally, our third menu is an exciting twist on a classic favorite: zucchini noodles with tomato basil sauce and grilled chicken. Zucchini noodles, or zoodles, are a low-carb alternative to traditional pasta, providing the perfect base for this dish. Top them with a tomato basil sauce made from fresh tomatoes, garlic, and a hint of olive oil. This sauce is naturally low in sugar and high in antioxidants. To complete the meal, add slices of grilled chicken breast, seasoned simply with herbs and a pinch of salt. This dish not only satisfies the longing for a comforting pasta dinner, but does so without compromising blood sugar stability. And there you have it, 3 diabetic-friendly dinner menus that are as healthy as they are delicious. Which one are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. Please like, share, and subscribe for more diabetes-related videos.